For the record, DASHCAM, there has been a Chevy Silverado following me since I stopped in that parking lot. He's been following very close and being weird and weavy in the lanes. I'm not quite sure what he wants. Maybe he just likes the look of the car or something, but I just want to be real clear. Just in case it's not friendly, though, I am going to go through a drive-through so that he's either forced to follow or back off. We'll see what happens. And for the record, he is still right on my ass. Yeah. Hey. What's that? I can't really hear you. Oh, what? Sorry, I couldn't hear you before. What's up?
Someone's got a lot of money, dude.
Oh, actually, it's not even that. You can pick this up for the price of like a used camera. No, I appreciate it. No, thank you. Alright, just in case any weirdness arises, middle-aged white male, facial hair, kind of scruffy, had a baseball cap, glasses, kind of looked like a skinnier T.J. Miller, like a redneck T.J. Miller, and you could kind of hear him maybe on the audio there. I don't know what the deal was. He was just being kind of weird and sketchy. But it was just like, oh, that was a nice car. And he said something to the effect of, I got your plate, I'll just look it up. I'll figure it out. And it's just like, oh, what? It's just some weirdness. So, yeah, not sure about that. This is very strange. Like, he was complimenting, but it was kind of a nice car, bro. I know what's up. And it was like, what? He's looking at me like he thought I was a drug dealer or something. It was weird. Like, I don't know what the guy's idea was, but then again, it could just be like somebody thinking they're fun but giving off a weird menacing vibe. Or he might seriously have like a real mental imbalance and just want to mess with people he perceives as being rich, which anybody who knows me knows I am far from rich. But I just got a really off vibe from the guy, so maybe you heard it in the video, I don't know. Either way, just weirdness for sure. Real weirdness.